Do you know affirming right can keep your self esteem high? Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I am helping you to change your mindset and build your self esteem. And today I'm going to talk about affirmations. What is affirmations? Affirmation is simply what we speak continuously. How we want our subconscious mind to be programmed, we need to affirm that way. Do you want your subconscious mind to give you positive impact? Then start affirming positive things. You want to build your self confidence? Start affirming that you already have that confidence. Start affirming in a way that what you want already exists. That is, you need to affirm in the present tense. Whatever you want, you're not going to affirm that in future tense. I will be confident. I will be disciplined. I will be happy. I will be rich. This is not the right way to affirm. You need to affirm in the present tense. I am happy. I am rich. I am confident. So affirming in present tense creates a difference. But then when people are saying these affirmations, they are not really getting that impact. Why? Because they are not able to believe on that. So what you can do is, if it is not easy for you to believe that I am rich, I am confident, then start talking about the progress. Start doing these affirmations. I am committed to be rich. I am committed to be more confident. I am progressing each and every single day. So you understand how it works. So when you affirm like this, that I am committed to, then your mind accept that. Why? Because you definitely want it and you are working for that. So friends, simply affirmations doesn't matter. Affirmation works very fast if belief is added to it. It is up to you. If you are able to believe on what you say in the present tense, simply, that is okay. If not, then start adding some words that shows the progress or that shows your commitment. You want to be confident, just start saying that I am becoming more confident every day. So just start doing this. Write your own affirmations and keep on repeating them. So that's it for the day. I will come again tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and most importantly, love yourself. Bye bye.